What's up, YouTube? We got a new exhaust on the Grom DZ. As you guys can hear, this thing is obnoxious. I lost my DV killer today. I put it on this morning when I was going to work, and unfortunately, you know what? I gotta go this way. Oh, so yeah, I was going to work, so I just put it on thinking that it wasn't going to come off, but at the end of the day, it did. So when I got to work, it was not on the bike. So when I got home, I was looking for it on the street, you know, and the car ran over it. I found it. It was like 2 houses down from my house. But now I need to order a new one. This thing is super loud. It's obnoxious. I think it's louder than my CBR. Listen. Ah. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Woo! This is sketchy as fuck. Let's see. Top speed. While doing the speed limit still. Let's go. Little downhill. Let's go. 67, 68, 69, 70. There you go. 71. We gotta get off here. No, 71. Wow. How accurate is that? I don't know. But yeah, that was 71. I don't care what y'all say. I also put my belly pan back on because my other one broke, so I had to order a new one. We just installed it today. So I don't think I'm gonna put the rear one back on. I'll show you guys when I stop somewhere where the light is not gonna turn green. So let's patiently wait. Is it gonna turn green or no? There it is. There's a speeding camera in here. Right there. You see? I know everything, bro. I know where everything is at. This one is gonna turn green, so I can't show you guys here either, or either. Or can I? Or can I? You know what? There's a big ass truck back there. I'm gonna just move to the front. Before we get squished. I'll show you guys later, because right now I'm in a rush. You see, it's about to turn green again. Can't even talk, bro. This thing is just loud, right? It's low as hell. Alright, so while we're here, let's try to get away from everybody. So you want to buy a Honda Grom. Should you buy one? Do you have the money to buy one? Probably not. So save up and get a Honda Grom. For your first bike, do not do that. Don't do that to yourself. You can only get this bike if you want a fun bike to enjoy, like in the city, and you have bigger bikes, so you don't really care about top speed, you don't care about horsepower, none of that. So that's when you can get this bike. Like me, I have the CBR 650R, and I have this bike just for fun. That way when I get bored of riding the 650, instead of selling it and moving up to a faster bike, I just got a smaller bike. That way when I ride this bike and then I ride the CBR feels quicker. Let's go down to the bottom, to the highway. Let's go through here. So yeah, when I ride the CBR, I'm not bored of it no more because it's way faster than this bike. So it's like a huge jump going from a 125 to a 650, you know. Almost with, this only has like 9 horsepower and my CBR has like around 100 horsepower. So that is a huge difference. Why are you slowing down? What the fuck are you doing, brother? Yeah, slowing down in my lane. He wanted to look. He switched over to the other side. I thought he was trying to kidnap me. Like, what the fuck? Traffic is moving and he's stopping with no turn signals. I'm like, oh shit. They're gonna stop in front of me and jump out that shit and be like, yo, hop in the trunk right now. Give us everything. Like, no, baby. You're gonna have to catch me. You're gonna have to catch me. Let's go. Catch me. I dare you to catch me. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. See? This is where I lose everybody. Downhill, it's over. Ain't nobody catching me. Bring your V4S, bring your RSV4, bring your R1s, S1000s, whatever y'all want to bring, brother. I want all the smoke. Look at that. Not even the cars can keep up with me. Y'all tripping, brother. Ain't no way, bro. I ain't losing to anybody. Look at that. I can drag me on this thing. Public roads. Ha. Y'all ain't on that level, bro. Let me slow down. Let me slow down, because this thing's so fast I could probably get in trouble. And we don't want no trouble, right? We gotta keep it low key. You don't want no trouble. You don't want no smoke. If I catch you on the road, I'll hit you right in your throat and I'll knock you out. I'll throw you under the bridge. You look like a chicken breast. I can't rap in English for shit. In Spanish, I can be like, hey, carretolta, que mi motor es slow, no me importa. Porque tú andas en tus motores, yo ando con flaca y tú andas con gorda. Carretolta. Vete la besa tota. Alright. Probably not even in Spanish, but fuck it. I wasn't born to be a rapper anyways. That's why I'm over here doing videos and shit. We're about to go in here right now. Oh. Let's see. Little Willie real quick. No, I don't know if that's a cop. And this bike is super loud, so they're definitely gonna hear me if I do a wheelie. Oh, there is no lights there. There's a little bridge here. I wanted to park my bike there and talk with you guys for a little bit, but unfortunately there is no lights here. See, in this little bridge right here, yeah, it's just mad dark. Yeah, it's super dark. I wanted to park it right there, talk some shit, but let's put it back here. Hopefully they don't come. You know what? I'm gonna just go inside. I don't want to park back here. You gotta chill, brother. Chill. Chill, brother. Let's go upstairs. I've never been up there. Here you guys can hear how loud this bike is. Listen. I want it to pop though. When I tune it, I'm gonna see if I can get some tops and bangs for this bike. Oh, there is another level upstairs. Oh, it's closed. I can't go through? Nope. I can't. If there was a little bit of space, I would have definitely went in through there. But nope. We're stuck, brother. We got this little nice view over here, though. Let's go, brother. Let's go. Tuggity. First, I need to make sure all the screws are on the belly pan. These two are on there. 1 and 2 are in there, so we're good. Nothing is broken, so we're good. The other one broke right here on this bracket right there. The whole piece from in there where the the inside part of the hole just snapped off with the screw. So we're good so far. But yeah, this is the bike. This is my little Honda Grom. That is the new exhaust we just put on. The belly pan. Flush mount turn signals in the front. Tail tidy in the back for the plate mount down there. And we got my turn signals with my fucked up relay. It only starts blinking like when I'm riding. When it's moving, after like 2 seconds it'll start blinking like a normal turn signal. But when I'm stopped, it doesn't work. Chat, and the funny part is that I'm recording right now. And I have, because I upgraded from the GoPro Hero 11 to the Action 5 Pro. So I have it in the night vision thing right now. And I don't even know how good is the lighting in here. Because I know it brightens everything up. So I don't know if it's overexposed or anything. But hey, I guess I'll figure out when I get home and start editing this video. I know this video was a quick video. Nothing crazy. I just wanted to show you guys. I went out to a bike meet, but my boys left, so they're not there. So I just turned around and came here. So yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys still haven't subscribed. Got a lot of content coming soon. I want to go out and ride more, but I got a baby now. I got work. I got the girl at home, so I can't really go out and have fun anymore for now. But hey, short rides it is for now. Winter's coming up. We're about to go into August right now, and that is no really bueno, man. Do some wheelies right here. Another one. Let's do another one right here. One more. Looking at me like, what the fuck are you doing, dude? What the fuck, man? Security looking at me. Brother, I ain't doing nothing, brother. I'm not doing nothing, brother. Nothing. Alright, chat. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll probably go home. If not, might go to Coney Island, ride around for a little bit. So if you guys don't see nothing else after this, it's because I went home.